My channel, guys. Today we will see about top five French companies and their stocks in the market and their income also. So here we can see the first company. It's called Christian Dior. I think everyone has heard about this company. And second, here we can see Renault. And third, Hermes International. And fourth, Engie. And the last one, Danone. So let's compare their incomes and the percentage and to discuss them. So first, I will write the name of all the companies. Let me write here. So DIOR. I will write just DIOR. Second, Renault, Hermes, Engie, Engie, and then one. And so let's write here DIOR. So in percentage, we can see 1.20, which is updated by now in 2023. So here, let's write here. It is the graphic shows that Christian Dior is increasing their stocks in market, not down, but yeah, step highway. So next here we can see Renault. So let's write here Renault in percentage 0.74%. So and Hermes here we can see 1.32%. And Engie is a decreasing in the market in percentage that here we can see 0.78% dramatically decreased. So let's write here 0.84% decreasing in 1 second. And then one here we can see 0.20%. So except Hermes, Renault, Dior, engine, and then one decreasing dramatically. So let's calculate engine and then one in percentage. Let's write 0.84 minus 0.20 by 100 by 12. So what is this number? This number shows that if engine and then one will stay in one position without changing by in the market, so it shows us they can lose this amount of percentage by the end of 2023. So if they stay in one position without changing, they can lose 0.074 percent of amount of money. So what about other three companies, Hermes, Renault, and Dior? If their company's income will stay in one position and to develop their stocks in market so they can succeed and without changing, so they can succeed in percentage and incomes also by the end of 2023. So it was a comparison the top five French companies in France. So thank you guys for your attention and see my next videos. Stay tuned. Thank you.